Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you a website that gonna help you in UI designs. But what it is, it basically provides you with checklists. What kind of a checklist? That kind of a checklist, like when you are designing a particular piece of component or maybe a particular piece of page, the things you should include into your design. So this is the basically checklist of all of those things. Let me show you the website, then you will understand it better. So here we are at checklist design, and as their name suggests, obviously they are the design checklists. And as you can see here in the login page, in their hero image, they have like uh, given us plenty of examples like what they are actually. Here in this section you can see login page, what you should include in the login page. Here are all of those. Now not just pages, they have tons of categories as well, like pages, elements, flows, topics, brands. And you can see what are in the check, like what are in these sections as well. First of all, I have to give them credit for designing this site as well, because this site is looks so good. It's so much soothing, and they have used a great color palette. Like obviously our designer is the only one who can make such thing like this. Okay, so whatever, let's check out one of their elements. Let's see if we want to see cards. Okay, let's click on card. So here in the elements checklist they have everything. So from it, mm, two of them are coming soon, banner and drop down is coming soon, but from them I want to choose the card. Okay, so here in the card element, I have those checklists. Okay, and here they have mentioned all of the things like styles, consistency, spacings, responsiveness, content hierarchy, blah blah blah, and all of the things. Eh? Now the thing is, when we get into design and we designing, like suppose I am designing a particular piece of component or particular piece of page for hours, so it became monotonous for us, and often it happens that we miss the basics. So while using it, while designing things, when I come back to this checklist and see this sweet little definitions or the details, it strikes my brain again. If I have done something wrong, I would have corrected it while check marking this list. So this comes in handy in most of the situations. Now people's workflow gonna differ. I know I am working in some way and maybe other people's work in another way, so people's workflow gonna differ a lot. But I think this would be a generalized thing that would help all of us. Now, rather than this as well, they have this article section, that is basically this card element. This is a card element, and this is the articles, the best possible articles related to this card designing. And there are some examples as well. So they have given an design example and material design example. As you can see, I know you guys know about material design. If I click on material design, it will directly take me to the card component, and here you can see the design page, right? Yes, wait, yeah, it's coming. Yeah, here you can see the design page, the outlined as well. Okay, so and here are the articles as well. I am not opening that right now. Whatever. Now we can go to some other topics as well. As you can see here in the brag checklist, I can click on logo. And now can you see the difference here? In our card design there were no description about card design. Okay, but here we have a description, that is logo in the brand section. That is, your logo identifies your business, it conveys the product. So obviously they have tried to give little cues, little details, definitions in the page, in such a way that whenever you see it while designing, it reminds you what is the core value, like what is the ultimate goal that we all are performing for. Okay, so obviously that helps to keep us in and stay focused and motivated a lot. Okay, so this reduce the chance of errors as well. And as here you can see, they have a new section as well for this logo design, that is inspiration. So say here they have included some of the logos: Uber logo, Atlassian logo, Shopify logo, Medium logo, and this is, I think, Discourse, I don't know, and Campaign Monitor as well. And here are some of the articles, just like before. So yeah, this is basically about the whole site, and here are some of the other things that you may check out or wanna check out. So yeah, basically that's about it about this whole website. It's really great website. And if you wanna support the creator, here you can see, wait, it's loading. Interview series, wait, they have this also, like check-ins and interview series. Oh, it's great. So I didn't knew about this section. I knew about this section only, but I haven't visited this site for a long time now, so didn't knew about this section. But they have included it. Wow, I have to check it out as well. And here are some reviews. Rather than that, so here is the thing. Here is the whole app, and here is the creator of this whole site. That is George Hadgis. I think I am pronouncing it totally wrong. I know. Please just pardon me if I am pronouncing it wrong. Haggis maybe. T is silent. I don't know. But George, whatever, George. And if you wanna support him, please support him via Buy Me a Coffee, or you can follow him in his Twitter as well, because obviously he has done a great job. So that's it. That's about it. That's about it for this video. That's about it for the whole site. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps, websites like this, or maybe some other things, please let me know about them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.